budgeting. Completely new pathway to prepare for buying a home in year 2025. Budgeting 101. How to significantly reduce your expenses. Remember, part 1, we talk about building a financial plan and budget. Hi everyone, this is Sonal Shah. Welcome to my channel. And today we'll be diving into part 2 for owning a home preparation. Today we will dive deeper though into reducing your expenses. No more feeling like your money is disappearing mysteriously. You will be taking a control. Let's get real. Expenses can creep up without you recognizing it. But don't worry, there are tons of ways to cut back without feeling deprived. Here are some of my favorites which I will share with you. 1. Your needs versus your wants. Do the audit. Grab a notebook and go through all your expenses on your credit card and on your bank account. Go identify them and see which one can go from that expense into wants. Needs like paying a rent, utilities, buying grocery is a must. But dining out, going for entertainment too much, eating out every day, that could be in the section of wants. Second tip, 20-80 rule. Identify the 20% of your expenses that are consuming your 80% of your budget. Focus your effort on reducing those top 20% of expenses. This could be anything from high interest debt to pricey subscription. Third, the meal planning, a biggest pocket to save. Meal planning magic. Guys, get used to it. Build your menu, make a grocery list, stick to it. Cook at home more often. Cut down on impulse grocery store purchases. Cut down on impulse going to the restaurant to eat out. 4. Subscriptions. No idea how many people have no clue how many subscriptions they have subscribed to. They're not using it. If you take the audit and look at it, all your occurring charges every month, look at it and see if you can find a cheaper resource or no use to it, then delete it. Use your student discount whenever possible. 5. Find a cheaper way of entertaining yourself. Instead of going for new movies in the theater, see it in Netflix. Yes, you have to wait for a month or two, unless it's absolute necessary. Go visit your friends. Go visit parks. Go for exercises together. You can change your activity that you stay engaged throughout the time. Walk, bike, use public transportation whenever possible. Combine errands to one trip. Guess what? You can save so much money in carpooling or sharing options. Remember the times when our gasoline went up to $7 per gallon and how we used to combine all the errands in a single trip? Keep up that habit. It will really help you and you will manage your time efficiently. Reducing expenses is not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices. Find creative ways and enjoy life with spending less. What are your favorite expense cutting tips? Share it with me. Anybody else listening to this, put that as a comment so we can help everybody in a group together. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and wait for part 3 coming in soon.